Alright, I'm told I gotta make this short. So right here is a spark plug. It's expensive. I don't know, 12 bucks. There's a deep old hole right there. I don't want to drop that plug in there and mess up the gap that I've checked and double checked to make sure this thing works. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on the end of a piece of rubber hose here I've cut off of something in the garage I don't care about. And we're gonna put that in there. And I wish this thing would focus on its own, but it's not going to. So I'm going to take this hose, I'm going to spin it, and trying to keep it, because it has a cold mold to it, as hoses do, I can keep that self-centered. And then once I get 2 or 3 turns on the thread, I can pull the hose off. And you can look in there and see you got your spark plug started. It's not cross-threaded. And I'm telling you, it takes 2 extensions to get the bad boy. So this helps out a whole bunch. Thank you.